students, so we completed 7. Next, 8th problem in that 1.1 exercise, first Roman 8th one. The collection of questions in this chapter. So this is a sets chapter, you know very well. The collection of questions means it must be defined. Correct or not? Collection of questions in this chapter. It can be a countable, it can be a defined, so it is well defined. That's why it is a set. So solution, yes, it is a set. The next question you can see the students, a collection of most dangerous animals of the world. They used the word most dangerous. So this is not well defined. Dangerous means on what basis they told it is a dangerous. So that crisis is not well defined. That's why it is not a well defined word, so it is not a set. So you remember always dangerous. I told the few words, may not repeat again and again. Such kind of specified cases they will ask that those are not well defined, so it is not a set. So you can write the answer, it is not set. No, it is not set, since the word most dangerous is not well defined. That is the students. So this is the first Roman. Just we have to say that given statement or given sentence, whether it is a set or not, based on the given information, right? So we'll go through the second question. What is the second one? So let A is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One set A is given with some elements. Those are starting with 1 and ending with 6. Insert the appropriate symbol. You know in the concept, these two symbols meaning. This is belongs to, this is does not belongs to. Remember students, this is belongs to, this is does not belongs to. Belongs to means that particular element is in that set. Does not belongs to means that given element is not present in that set. So they are given some blanks, you have to check it. So here given 5. 5 is an element in set A. See here given set A. Set A you can observe we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These elements are there. So this 5 is also here. That's why 5 is present in this set. When the element is present in that set, we are using the symbol belongs to. Whereas you can go through second one, there is an element 8. 8 is not here. That's why we should write not, does not belongs to. Again, you can see in this set there is no 0. Here 0 is given. So it is also not present in that set. Does not belongs to. Whereas you can see the fourth option. Fourth option is given 4. 4 is belongs to in this set. So we can write it is belongs to. Whereas come to fifth option, we have 2. 2 is belongs to. Whereas the sixth one, 10. 10 is not here. So we can write it does not belongs to. Only they are asking insert the appropriate symbol. Which is correct symbol is suitable here, that symbol we have to insert. So based on that it is belongs to, you have to write, if the given element is present in this set, you have to use belongs to. Given element is not present, it is does not belongs to. Clear students? That is the second Roman. Now we will come to the third Roman. Listen here. Right students, next one is third Roman. Write the following sets in roster form. I told beginning itself, sets are represented into two forms. One is roster form, second one is set builder form. Roster, what is meant by roster form? The elements are listed by using commas enclosed with the braces are called, enclosed with the floor braces is called as roster form. What is set builder form? If the given elements possessed one particular property, we have to denote it that all the elements by using a common letter X or Y or Z, and you can use by using such that symbol and with written. Like this you can see here, A is equal to set of X, such that, this we will read as such that, this is the symbol for such that. Sometimes they will give slash also. So slash are two dots, it indicates we have to read in mathematically such that X set of A is equal to set of X such that X is an integer. You have to write X place integers. How many integers we have to write? And minus 3 less than X less than 7. The integers you have to take in between minus 3 and plus 7. Minus 3 and plus 7 in between how many integers are there? You can see the number line. You don't know that, you can just represent a number line. This is 0 students. Plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, plus 7. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. They are asking the integers here less than means minus 3 should be a more than and 7 should be a less than. X value ivar kanna jaasti irabekri, ivar kanna kadime irabekri. Left side value kanna jaasti irabekri, X ki left side yaridra avar kanna jaasti. So what is the number left side of X more than that number? And what is right side of that number less than that number? We need integers. So minus 3 more than means always right side. 7 less than means always left side. This is 7 left side. So you have to take all the values in between minus 3 to 7. You can see that 2, 0, sorry 2, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are all integers only, lies in between minus 3 to 7. Clear students? Minus 3 to 7 integers. Sometimes they will ask the question like this, minus 3 less than or equal to X less than or equal to 7. In this question is given minus 3 less than X less than 7. What is main difference between these two? Very simple students, minus 3 less than X less than 7 means except these two numbers. Ee eradu numbers ni bedabekri. Idi betti remaining tagobekri. When they are giving less than or equal to, should include these two also. That time minus 3 also included, 7 also included. So no confusion in that students. So this is given set builder form. Clearly you know very well. You want to write roster form of this. How to write? Just now I told. Roster form means list all the elements. What are the elements we have to list? Here given condition. We have to take integers. Integers we have infinite, but not all integers. They told integers lies in between minus 3 and 7. Lies in between minus 3 and 7. In between means should not include minus 3, should not include 7. So now I am taking as a minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is your answer. Correct students? So this is a set builder form, this is a roster form. Now we'll see the second question. In third main, second subdivision, they are given X such that set of B is equal to set of X such that X is a natural number. You want to write natural numbers. Natural numbers infinites are there. You want to write all infinite? No. They are given till less than 6. Less than 6 means 6 ki kadime, not 6. Less than or equal to 6 means up to 6. Less than 6 means 6 bitti except 6. So now what are natural numbers are there? Natural numbers are starts with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They told less than 6. That's why need not to take as a 6. That is your answer. Second question answer. Next C. Set of x such that x is a 2-digit natural number. 2-digit natural number such that the sum of its digit is 8. Carefully you have to observe, students. Carefully observe madbekri. C is equal to set of x such that x is a 2-digit natural number. 2-digit numbers you know very well. They are asking natural numbers. 2-digit natural numbers starts with from 10. 10, 11, 12, it goes on up to 20. Next 21, 20, 21, it goes on. 30, 31, it goes on. 40, 41, it goes on. 50, 51, it goes on. 60, 61, it goes on. 70, 71, it goes on. 80, 81, it goes on. 90, 91, it goes on till 99. 100 is not 2-digit number, it is 3-digit number. Digit means nothing but 1, 0 is the digits. They told 2-digit natural numbers, you have to pick. 2-digit natural numbers, how many are there? 10 to 99, correct or not? You have to remove 1 to 9 out of 100 natural numbers. 1 to 9 you have to remove and 100 you have to remove. 92-digit numbers are there, correct or not? In that 92-digit numbers such that the sum of its digits is 8. What is meant by sum of its digits? Simple, students. In 10, 1, 0 is the digits. 1 is 1 digit, 0 is 1 digit. Sum of digits means 1 plus 0. How much? 1 only. What is the sum of these two digits? 1 plus 1 is 2. What is the sum of these two digits? 1 plus 2 is 3. Like if you take here 1, 7, 1, 8, 1, 9. So in this 1 plus 7 is 8. Correct or not, students? If 13, 1 plus 3 is 4. 14, 1 plus 4 is 5. 15, 1 plus 5 is 6. 16, 1 plus 6 is 7. 17, 1 plus 7 is 8. They are asking sum of its digit is 8. So 17, if you take a 17 2-digit number, their sum is equal to 8. Like in 20 series, is there any possible? Yes, you can see the 26. 2 plus 6 is 8. Correct or not, students? Like you can see the 30 series. 3 plus 5, 35. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8, students. Like you can see the 40 series. 44. 4 plus 4 is 8, students. Like 53. 5 plus 3 is 8, students. Next 62. 6 plus 2 is 8, students. Like 71, 7 plus 1 is 8, students. Like 80, 8 plus 0 is 8, students. Here not possible any 8. So now you can see that few 2-digit numbers, their digits sum of their digits is getting 8. What are those? You can find out and pick it and write in a set bracket. That is our required answer. Correct, students? Right, now you can see that sum of 2-digit numbers whose sum of the digits is 2-digit natural numbers whose sum of digits is 8. Can you write it that now? Yes. C is equal to set of 17, 1 plus 7, 8, 26, 2 plus 6, 8, 35, 3 plus 5, 8, 44, 4 plus 4, 8, 53, 5 plus 3, 8, 62, 6 plus 2, 8, 71, 7 plus 1, 8, 80, 8 plus 0, 8, only this, no other 2-digit numbers. If you take their sum of digits is not equal to 8 other than this. Correct, students? So that is your required answer. You have to read the question carefully and answer the question. So this is given set builder form, this is roster form, set builder form, roster form, set builder form, roster form. So what do you understood here? They will give one format, you have to answer another format. Right, students? Next continuation, fourth subdivision. D is equal to set of x such that x is a prime number which is a divisor of 60. Divisors means, what does it mean? The numbers which are exactly divisible by 60. Correct or not? Which are divisible 60. You can divisible by 1, you can divisible by 2, you can divisible by 3, you can divisible by 4, you can divisible by 5, you can divisible by 6, you can divisible by 10, you can divisible by 12, you can divisible by 15, you can divisible by 30, you can divisible by 60, you can divisible by 20. But they are asking one more condition, prime numbers as well as divisors. See the students, 60 divisors. 160s are, 230s are, 320s are, 415s are, next 5 how many times? 512s are, next 610s are, 7 will not divisible, 8 will not divisible, 9 will not divisible, 10 6s are, 12 5s are, 15 4s are, 20 3s are, 30 2s are, 60 1s are. So these are all divisibles of 60, divisors of 60. Among that, what are prime numbers? 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, remaining are not prime numbers. I told what are prime numbers? Exact 2 factors. 1 is exact only 1 factor, that's why it is neither prime nor composite, we should not count it. 2 exact 2 factors, 1 and 2. 3 exact 2 factors, 1 and 3. 5 exact 2 factors, 1 and 5. But 4 is 3 factors, at least 3 factors, that's why it is a composite number, we don't call it is a prime number. 6 prime, it is not a prime number, composite. 10 composite, 12 composite, 15 composite, 20 composite, 30 composite, 60 composite. Why? Because those all the numbers at least 3 factors. Rest of them is except 1 exact 2 factors. That's why here given question is x such that x is a prime number which is a divisor of 60. So the given number should be a prime number as well as divisor of 60. It should be exactly divisible by, it should be exactly divisible 60 as well as a prime number. So what are the chances you have, students? So D is equal to exactly 2 prime number and it is divisible by 30 times, 3 prime number, it is divisible by 20 times, 5 prime number, it is divisible by 12 times. So no other prime number is exist which are prime as well as a divisor of 60. Correct, students? So that is the required answer. Next come to the fifth question. E is equal to the set of all letters in the word trigonometry. Trigonometry word containing how many letters you have to write in set bracket by using commas, that is called roster form. I told while writing the roster form you have to remember that repetition not allowed, order is immaterial. Repetition not allowed, order is immaterial. See students, set E is equal to set of, we have T is the word, R, T is the letter, R is the letter, I is the letter, J is the letter, O is the letter and N is the letter. Again O is repeated, repetition not allowed. Again M is the letter. Next E is the letter, it is already repeated, no. So again E, and next we have t repeated, next r repeated, next y. So these are the letters in the word trigonometry. We are arranging into roster form. While writing roster form, you should keep two important things in your mind. First one, repetition not allowed. Second one, order is immaterial. Whether you are starting with T or starting with R, starting with I, starting with J, starting with O, that is immaterial. Clear, students? But repetition not allowed. Right. Next one also you can write F is equal to the set of all letters in the word better. So you can write the answer for that betterly. So F is equal to set of, here also the same, you have to remember the two things, repetition not allowed, order is immaterial. So B, E, T. T repeated 2 times even though you are writing only 1 time. E repeated 2 times even though you are writing only once. And next R. So this is the letters in the word better. Correct, students? Next come to the fourth question. What is fourth question? Write the following sets in set builder form. So previous Roman, they are given set builder form, you are written as roster form. Now it is in vice versa, opposite way. They are given in roster form, you have to build into set builder form. I told while writing set builder form, you have to remember the given elements, they possessed one particular common property. That common property you have to identify that all the elements you are representing with one letter and representing in a set bracket such that format. Correct, students? See here the fourth question. Right, students? Fourth question, write the following sets in the set builder form. They are given roster form. How would we know roster form? I told roster form, the elements are listed by separating commas and enclosed with the flower braces. Correct or not? Yes. Now you can see the set of 3, 6, 9, 12. So these elements possessed one particular property. What are those? Multiples of 3. Correct or not? 3 ones are, 3 2s are, 3 3s are, 3 4s are. So they are multiples of 3. They possessed one particular property. How to represent? Very simple. See, students, set of x such that x is equal to, there are 3 multiples means 3n format. That means if you substitute n place is 1, you will get first number. If you represent 2, second number, represent 3, third number, represent 4, fourth number, it goes on. So if you represent 1, you will get 3, 2, 6, 3, 9, 4, 12. What you are replacing in n place? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 are belongs to which numbers? Natural numbers. That's why you are writing here, comma, small n is belongs to capital N, but all natural numbers are involved here. No. How many natural numbers are involved? 4 natural numbers. That's why this small n is belongs to in between 1 to 4. That means small n place you can substitute least number is 1, greatest number is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's why I am writing like this. Instead of this place, we can represent like this also. N is belongs to natural number, n less than or equal to 4. That means n place you can substitute 4 or below 4 natural numbers. This is also correct, students. Is it clear? Right. Did you understood? So these elements are, we are assuming it one x. X means these numbers are in x format. X means what is x? They possess one common property. They are multiples of 3. Multiples of 3 means 3 1s are, 3 2s are, 3 3s are. 3 is common. 1 2 3 place we are substituting one more variable, that is n. Not only n, you can substitute k. You can substitute p. That is your wish. I am substituting small n. Correct or not? This n belongs to which numbers? Why? Because this n place we are going to substitute 1. You will get first one, first value, 2, second value, 3, third value, 4, fourth value. So 1, 2, 3, 4 are belongs to which number system? Natural number. That's why small n is belongs to capital N. Then how many values we have to take in natural number? 1 and 4, in between 1 and 4. Otherwise less than or equal to 4. Natural numbers less than or equal to 4 you have to take and replace in n place. You will get the above answer. Correct, students? Did you understood? Right. Come to the second question. Now you have confident on the second one. Second one also they possessed one particular property. Can you observe it? 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. They are not 2 multiples. Why? Because if 2 multiples means 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6 missed. 2 4s are 8, okay. 2 5s are 10 miss. 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14. That's why they will not follow that property. Any other property you have to think it. Yes, they are 2 raised their power with n. That means they are in the format of 2 power n, 2 power n. N place if you put 1, 2 power 1, 2. That means 2 you can write 2 power 1, 4 you can write 2 square, 8 we can write 2 cube, 16 we can write 2 power 4, 32 we can write 2 power 5, like that it will be there. So they are not multiples of 2, they are powers of 2. 2 rises 1, 2 rises 2, 2 power rises 3, 2 power rises 4, 2 power rises 5, like that. Correct or not, students? Now you are going to write here set of x such that x is in the format of 2 to the power of n. N is belongs to natural numbers, but natural numbers how many we have to take? 1 if you take first value, 2 second value, 3 third value, 4 fourth value, 5 fifth value. That's why this small n is less than or equal to 5. You can take, otherwise 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 5. This is also correct, this is also correct, as you wish. Clear, students? Understood? Right. Now come to the next question. Observe here. Here also these elements are possessed one common property. 5, 25, 125, 625. These are not 5 multiples. Why? Because 5 1s are 5, okay. 5 2s are 10, 10 is not there. 5 3s are 15 is not there. 5 4s are 20 is not there. So I think it is also 5 power rises. 5 power 1, 5, 5 square, 25, 5 cube, 125, 5 power 4, 625. So you can write here set of x such that x is equal to they possessed one common property which is called 5 to the power of n. This n is belongs to natural number. How many natural numbers are we have to take? Just replace 1 here, you will get first value, 2 second value, 3 third value, 4 fourth value. So you have to take n values are less than or equal to 4. Correct, students? Right. You can see the last one. They are given 2, 4, 6 and so on. That means it is a infinite set. Correct, students? Correct or not? Now, how to answer infinite sets? Simple. They are in the 2 multiples. So, I can write here set of x such that x is equal to they possessed one common property. They are 2 multiples. So, 2n format, not 2 power n. 2 power n means this is 2n. Sir, here doubt. N is belongs to what? Natural numbers. How many natural numbers you have to take? All. Why? Because it is infinite set. If you substitute 1, you will get first value, 2 second value, 3 third value, 4th fourth value, like that you will get all the values. That's why we will stop up to here. N values are belongs to capital N, no restriction here. Here restrictions are there. Why? Because you should not take all natural numbers. Why? Because if you take 4 natural numbers, then only you will get all the values. If you take 5, we don't have the more values here. That's why you can restrict it here, n value is up to 4. Here no restriction, this is natural numbers up to infinite. So, the last question of this Roman, you can see here, set of 1, 4, 9 and so on 100. They also possess one particular property. What is that particular property? They are in the form of squares, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square and so on 10 square. Correct or not, students? So, now set of x such that x is equal to, they are in the format of n square. So, what is n? N indicates natural numbers. How many natural numbers exist here? If you substitute 1 square, 2 square, 3 square until that 10, that's why small n is less than or equal to 10. So, this is like this, you have to write the roster form to set builder form to roster form. You have some more examples in textbook also. You try it, then only you will get the thought. Clear, students? So, the remaining problems we will solve in the next class.